said, Doug, you look beautiful.
I know what you said, I'm just fucking sorry.
Look at the rich colours there, Kerry, of Doug. You've got every colour known to man in the colour spectrum behind you. In this shot, you look like $1 million.
A nice tinge to his hair.
Kerry's taking a mickey out of you, Doug.
No, it's the colour.
Oh yeah. You're not in 4K, I do apologise, Doug, but hopefully the viewers will see the improved quality. Are you with us, Doug?
No.
What are you doing here, Doug?
I've just replaced, fixed all the electric. Well, I haven't fixed anything really. I've replaced 2 pickups and put a switch in.
Why?
I'll show you.
Okay.
So this is the normal sound. That's parallel, series now.
Coil tap.
Series single coil.
Yeah, I don't like that. I used to like that kind of thing, but
Yeah, so you've got series single coil now.
Yeah.
And I'm just changing the angle of the
dangle.
Yeah.
I think sometimes if you've got a humbucker guitar, you should just leave it as a humbucker, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can end up like the flight deck of a 747 on your guitar, can't you, if you're not careful?
Yeah, you have to be careful.
Yes. So, anything else I can zoom in on, Doug?
I've got a guitar here. This is Dave Williams's. He's having changing that pickup.
Was that a Duesenberg?
No, it looks like one. It's DeArmond.
That's what?
DeArmond.
What?
DeArmond.
You're mumbling. Oh yeah.
DeArmond. I'm not mumbling. I'm just telling you what it is. Which is a DeArmond.
So it's not. It's
made
a
in Korea.
Okay. It's like a Duesenberg style, isn't it?
It is very similar.
So what have you got over there, Doug? Oh, you got what's his name? Steve Vai.
I've got one of them French.
French?
No, not French. Blade.
Bonjour.
Levinson.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're Swiss, aren't they?
No idea.
Swiss, yeah. And I've got that French, Japanese one.
What's that limited thing at the back? That Les Paul looks like it's gathering dust.
Oh, that limited one.
Time.
Yeah.
Is that,
that was done for a bloke just turned up drunk in the Raven 3-4 years ago and just plonked it at me and said fix that.
Oh, you've not seen him since? So they edit this out then, so you can keep it.
Well, I fixed it.
No, I mean, but you can just sell it.
Well, I could, but
he might be dead. He might be dead.
He's probably is with all the drinking. Probably. I think he's a drunk. Not certain. Don't really know the chap. So.
Where did you meet him? In the pub.
The Raven. Yeah.
In the pub.
Seen him in the Raven. Yeah. But
that's
about it. And now I'm starting putting things back. I've just got to tighten that up, but I've got to do that carefully with this.
Why
so
have you
now
got to do it carefully?
Putting things back, ready to do Dave's in a minute.
Okay, very good. Can you make this a bit more exciting?
Yes,
please?
I'll show you what I'm doing in there now.
Let's just go.
I'm building this 8-string.
Oh, you're still on this? Yeah.
What do you mean still on this? I've had to wait till I've spoke to the chap to know what control panel to put in it.
Can I just
what he wants. There it is with its neck on. Oh, I'll give you a demo of the finish this stuff for the camera. I think we've done it before. But it's always nice to.
You gotta squirt some juice on.
To put a bit of boogie juice on them.
Put his boogie juice to show the grain.
Yeah. It needs cleaning off anyway, so it doesn't hurt us. Bit of meth.
Is that terps? Oh,
meth. Yeah. Nice, isn't it? Nice, absolutely beautiful piece of walnut. That. It's got a lot of figuring in it. I've done the same. They're at the same block to for the headstock. So it's nice.
I might just go in close with the new camera.
Okay.
Oh, thanks. You get your big fat hands out of the way. I'm going to go in close.
Well, they're not.
Oh, hang on, it's going dark.
They're not fat.
Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that. Not even 4K. Not even 4K. Oh, it's soon dried out, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, it does. It's meths.
Yeah, yeah. Evaporates pretty quickly. Frets aren't too big, are they?
No, 2.7.
2.7?
Yeah, it's a 25-inch scale. I haven't finished the inlay work on the pearl, but it's getting there.
Where's that, sorry?
It says gravitonicity.
Oh yeah. Say that again.
Gravitonicity.
You say it 3 times quickly.
Gravitonicity. No, it's not a fucking party game, is it? I'm building guitars here, you twat.
So you're saying it isn't a happy experience here, building guitars? You
Oh, and I've built...
misery.
Oh no, I've fixed this one for Chris Cliff. This is an old guitar of mine from the 80s I built.
Yes.
And I've waxed the body because we decided on what finish we wanted. Chris.
Found that in the Rhythm House, didn't he?
Yeah, he bought this in Rhythm House, and this is a matte neck. Well, semi-matte. It's lovely feel.
I think that's known as satin.
I put him a rosewood.
Satin.
I
Yeah.
put him a rosewood fingerboard on it.
Yeah.
It was maple before. So we're going for rosewood net fingerboard. I'm just waiting for him to call round to see what
Do.
plate he wants, because I've got two
yeah.
different. I'll show you. I've bought 2 different sorts of material. So there we are.
Ambassador.
Yes.
You
So
spoilers.
we've got 2 different sorts of.
Yeah.
I prefer this, but it depends what you're
Yeah.
having. I like this for that guitar. More subdued, but it's up to him when he comes.
Excuse me a second. I think you might be right.
Yeah, it'll stand out better.
I can't tell if this is in focus or not. My eyes.
They've got a plastic covering on at the moment, so which is why they're dull.
Yeah. Ah, there you go.
So they've got a plastic coat on.
Yeah.
And then once we've made the plate to fit his guitar, then we'll strip the plastic off.
Yeah. Excellent. You're definitely not losing weight. You look a bit thinner. That's
No.
just the black top.
No, I've put 2 kilos back on, I'm afraid.
No, you haven't.
I'm
2 kilos.
hovering around 115 kilos all the while. Sometimes I go down to 113. But at the moment, I found the joy of Midget Gems.
You can't eat so many midget gems that you will put a noticeable amount of weight on, because
I can.
it's like eating bits of tyre rubber. They're not that enjoyable. Like, a few of them are okay, but then you'd just throw up.
I don't eat
You have
more
too
than
many of them.
3.
No, I find that hard to believe.
Oh,
So you don't eat more than 3 midget gems in one sitting?
That's right.
Rubbish.
I stick to 3.
You are a lying bastard.
No, I'm not. I'm telling you the truth. But if you don't wish to believe me, I don't care.
It's not a case
I
of
actually
wishing.
don't give a worm's wank.
Hang on. Look at that.
What?
This
You
is
stop
the
poking that
quality of
bloody
this.
thing in my face. I'm ugly enough without you showing it up. Oh, and I've polished Mark's guitar there. This is
Yeah, that's Mark.
candy
Mark who?
apple thing I've done for him.
Is that one of your custom colours, candy apple thing?
Candy apple thing, yeah.
Who's Mark? Mark who?
Mark customer.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Is that his last name?
Sharman, is it?
I don't know. Obviously it doesn't matter.
Mark
What.
Sharman. Stop packing your nose when you're talking to me.
Mark customer.
Yeah, Mark customer. Oh, and I've made that for John Deacon. What's it I like?
Yeah. He wants to break free. Queen.
What's it? Yeah, Queen band. What's it called?
Something Queen.
I keep thinking of John Deacon all the while. I can't forgotten his name
Queen.
now.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I can't remember. I've got no
See?
memory.
I'm not the only one.
Look at that, Kerry. Look at the richness of those colours.
I can't remember. Bloody brain's gone addled. Alan Warbanks.
That's the one. Right then, listen. We're at 9 minutes 24
So I've done all
seconds.
that. Now John Brindis is having a Les Paul. Now I'm doing, and I'm using the last of me Veda Sawmill's top. You know, me
Have you what, sorry?
Mirror Match Maple.
Oh yeah. Right then, listen. I'm at 10 minutes 59 seconds. Come on, let's end it.
Well, what I've done, I've shown you all the guitars I'm doing,
Yeah.
and I've told you the ones I'm future doing.
Yeah.
For Brinda's, I'm doing that Les Paul with a lovely, beautiful Veda at the top. I'm going to have to find that company and get some more stuff off them.
Plus okay, but you also need to get back in the house and start singing, I am a lineman for the county.
Yeah, it's a good job you're not singing it then, isn't it? I didn't know you couldn't sing. So, I'll do that, and I'll do all this. I've got wiring to do though first.
Very good, very good. Yeah,
today.
yeah, excellent.
And I've been stopped. We've fixed the van though. Today we've fixed the flap. Got a loose flap on my car.
Well,
Tim's fixed me that.
on your car, your
Lexus.
your expensive Lexus.
Yeah.
You mean, is that where you put the petrol in? You mean that flap?
No, one
Petrol
of the
flap.
mud flap things.
A mud flap?
The mud flappy thing. It was doing that.
Oh yeah.
And it was dragging, and I thought I got a bearing on. It sounded so horrendous.
Oh right, you're kidding me. Oh, he's dragging on the floor?
Yeah.
Good God, what's wrong with you? I've never had a mud flap dragging on the floor.
Well, neither have I until I had this Lexus.
Yeah. See?
See?
Right then, let's say goodbye, Doug.
And yes, bye bye everybody.
Yeah, don't swear because Kerry's here. Wouldn't be the right thing to do with it.
Why, was it turned?
Okay, bye, Doug.
See you.